Good everyone, welcome to the Physics YouTube channel. And today we're talking on integration by parts, integration by substitution method. We have several methods of solving integration. We have the general method, we have the integration by parts, and we have by substitution method. In this video, I'll show you how to solve it, give you the simplest form of solving this integration by substitution method. So stay to the end of the video to get the full gist. So now, let's tackle this problem together. Solution. The aim of substitution method is that, just like the chain rule, integration is, from what I said earlier in my first video under the general method of integration. I will drop the link on my bio so you can check that out. Under the general method of integration, we said integration is the reverse of differentiation. And now, if you're solving for differentiation, once you have a function like this on a bracket, use the chain rule. That is the best method to use. And also, if you're solving for differentiation, once you have a product, use the product rule. But for integration, once you're solving and you have a function on a bracket like this, use your substitution method. Or once you have a product, use the integration by parts. They all have their related methods. So now let's solve this problem together. This is now our integration by substitution method. Let's call the one in our bracket u. So let u be equals to 3x squared minus 7. This is our u, the one in our bracket. Differentiating this now, we have that du dx equals to 6x. We differentiated this function to get our du dx. But we have the x here, not du dx. So let's make the x equal to the formula. Doing that, so making the x subject of formula, we can say the x equals to du over 6x. Let's call this equation 2 and let's call this our equation 1. In his physics YouTube channel, we make mathematics, statistics, and physics easy. And also, we give you guys the concepts, give you the method, give you the formula, and join them together and solve. We make things easy in this YouTube channel. So feel free to subscribe to this channel to get the full gist. Now, we have our equation 1 and we have our equation 2. Let's put our equation 1 and equation 2 into our equation here, our question here, which is integral of 8x. If you put this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Sorry for the mistake. Now let's put our equation 1 and equation 2 into our question. So we have 8x. This is now u. So 8x u, because we said 3x squared minus 7, we took it as u. So meaning we have 8x u times u raised to power what? 19. Power 19 times the x is what? Du over 6x. So we have du over 6x. X cancel x, right? Now, in all my videos under integration and differentiation, I said if you're integrating a function and you have the constant, it's best you move that constant outside the integral sign to make your work neat and so you will not be confused. So now let's do that together. Let's move our constant outside our integral sign. So what our constant is 8 and 6. So moving this outside the integral sign, we have 8 over 6 integral of u power 19 du. Now let's integrate du using our general method. If we integrate this, we have 8 over 6 times, integrating the u, we have u raised to power 19 over u raised to power 19 plus 1 all over 19 plus 1. So that is u raised to power 19 plus 1 all over 19 plus 1 plus c. Because if you integrate any function, you add a constant c. So that is 8 over 6 times u raised to power 20 all over 20 plus c. You can reduce this. If you take 2 here, we have 4. Take 2 here, you have 10. Take 2 here again, we have 2. And take 2 here, we have what? 5. So finally, our final answer is 2u20 all over 6 times 5 is what? 30 plus c. But we cannot solve like this. This cannot be our final answer. We need to impute back our function u. So we can say 2 bracket, our u is what? 3x squared minus 7. 3x squared minus 7 power 20 all over 30 plus c. Can we reduce this further? Yes, we can. 2 here 1, 2 here 15. So our final answer now is 3x squared minus 7 power 20 all over 15 plus c. These are integrated function using your substitution method. You first of all take the one in your parentheses or your brackets as your u. After that, you differentiate your u with respect to x. But there's the x here, not the u. So you make your the x respect to formula. You put in your equation back. You integrate and get your final answer. So if this video was helpful for you and you know you understand the principle and the concept behind integration by substitution method, you're free to click on the subscribe button to join this physics YouTube channel. And most importantly, like this video. It can be pushed to others so they can also watch and learn the concepts behind integration by substitution method. Thank you for watching this video and see you on my next video. Bye.